everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today this is the set of nails that I created. So I used the dual forms or reverse tips in order to create this design and some 4D sculpting gel. So I'm just prepping my nails here and pushing back my cuticles, getting rid of any dry skin, and then I go in with my missubeauty base coat, gel polish base coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So yes, my nails are still stained from the acrylic powder that I put on a few weeks ago. It's not coming off. I have tried to buff it off, but it is not coming off. So next time I will be more careful and remember to put a base layer on. So I'm just using the clear 4D sculpting gel, and with a cuticle tool I'm just popping some of this on my reverse tip, and with some gel cleanser and my gel brush I'm just laying out the gel on this nail form. I'm just creating the shape of my nail. I'm putting this one on my forefinger. I actually only film this once. I do it on the rest of my fingers, but I do film it just on this one. So yeah, so I'm just laying it out there and I'm creating the stiletto tip that I went with. I do go out of screen there, I'm really sorry. So yeah, I just keep popping a little tiny bit of gel cleanser on my brush in order to move the gel around, and then I place it down on my nail. Just make sure that there are no air bubbles or anything like that, and it has covered the entire nail. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And as always with these forms, they just pop off and I love it. So I file and buff my nails ready for application, and this is the new gel polish that I received from missubeauty. It's called Cuddly Bear and it's 02. So this is one of my new colours that I received recently. So I just put a very thin layer on first. This is my first coat. Like I said before, please excuse my yellow or my orange yellow nails underneath. It will grow out eventually, I'm sure. So yeah, so I'm just popping this layer, this coat on, and then I cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And so now I'm going in with my second coat of this gel polish, and I absolutely love this colour. It's like a nude, it's really gorgeous, it's beautiful, it went on really well, covers the nail perfectly with just 2 coats. I love it to bits. So again, I cure this in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So with my missubeauty jewellery gel and some new AB rhinestones that I got also from missubeauty. They're a mixture pot of different sizes because I couldn't really decide which size I actually really wanted. So with a dotting tool I just get some jewellery gel on my nail here, just place a little bit down on my nail. And before I cure it in my LED lamp, I then pop down some rhinestones. I picked 3 or 2 different sizes, 1 bigger one and 2 smaller ones at either side. So here they are going on now, and they are absolutely beautiful. So then I cure this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I just go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, also from missubeauty. So I do have a discount code for these guys as always, it is Beautified10, so that gives you 10% off their items on their website, so check them out. I will leave links to all products I used in this video in the section below. I'm sorry it's such a quick video, but I thought you've seen me using these forms last week, so I thought I'd just do another simple, very simple yet elegant design, and I absolutely love it. With a smaller brush, by the way guys, I do get a little bit of top coat on it, and I just go in between the rhinestones just so that I don't go over the rhinestones with the UV gel top coat, because I don't want to lose that shine. And then I put some cuticle oil on my nails, and here is the final result. I hope you really enjoyed this video today guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I shall see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. See you next time. Bye!